Racing just is started. We have Nurture, Nature, break quickly restart, moving party outside, getting better. Benny Bidivici, August Moon, Buangera is done on the inside. Specialist comes next, Asikaso, Charm Offensive, Pampangenyo, while owning is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader and going along for the first turn. Now we have August Moon takes command over length and a half, and in second is Nurture, Nature, Buangera. Then next online is getting better, moving a party outside is Specialist, Charm Offensive comes next, then followed now by Benny Bidivici. Next online, Asikaso, Pampangenyo, while owning is still racing in less. Inside the 3 Octavo, getting better. Then here comes a Specialist, now moving a party outside. Buangera is done on the inside. Then next online now is August Moon. Charm Offensive comes next, then followed now by Benny Bidivici. Then next online now is Nurture, Nature, and they are now entering the home stretch. Specialist now says it's my turn to take the lead. Getting better in second. Last 100 meters where Specialist getting better. Charm Offensive now in third. Last 50 meters where Specialist, and finally Specialist getting better. Charm Offensive, Buangera. Then comes number 9, Pampangenyo, August Moon.
Okay, bayang turista, para po dito sa ating huling perera, ating unofficial winner number sa Specialist with A.G. Reyes. Nasa bundok number G is getting better. Ating pambalikan ng replay dito po sa ating